Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's Card Reorder Power-Up, your 2025 full guide. First things first, you'll need to enable the Power-Up. Head to your Trello board, select Show menu, and choose Power-Ups. Scroll down until you find the Card Reorder Power-Up and click Enable. This step is crucial as it activates the feature, allowing you to reorder your cards. Now that we've done that, let's move on to using the feature. Go to a list on your Trello board where you want to reorder the cards. Click on the three-dotted icon, which sits next to the list title, and select Reorder Cards. The reason we do this is to initiate the card shuffling process. Following this, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options for reordering. You can arrange the cards by due date, label, or member. Choose the one that suits your needs the best. This helps us because it provides a way for us to organize our tasks based on priority, responsibility, or time frame. Next up, click on Reorder Cards again. This will apply the selected ordering method to your cards. It's important to do this as it helps to keep your tasks organized and prioritized, making it easier for you and your team to know what to focus on. And just like that, you've reordered your cards in Trello. But let me explain why this matters. By reordering your cards, you're not only keeping your tasks in check, but also making your workflow more efficient. This can lead to a boost in productivity and team collaboration, which is always a win-win. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you use the Card Reorder Power-Up. Trello is using its built-in algorithm to arrange your cards based on the criteria you've chosen. This saves you time and effort in manually organizing your tasks, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, getting things done. And that's a wrap on how to use Trello's Card Reorder Power-Up. Remember, an organized Trello board is a productive Trello board. Keep reordering, keep prioritizing, and keep getting things done. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.